Electrical engineering is a huge industry which covers so many different things, but it's fundamental to almost everything we use nowadays. Anything that you can think of in the world that involves power, so something with a battery, something that's plugged into mains electricity, anything that requires that will have had a component of electrical engineering.
So as an engineering course, it has a lot of theoretical as well as a lot of practical things. You learn a lot of skills during the first year, such as programming, such as circuit theory, and this is all to build your level of knowledge up to a level that is of that of an engineer. And then from there on, you can specialize into different fields, if you like, based on the modules that you think interest you, as well as go on to do larger group projects and your own project in the end, if you so choose.
Electrical engineering at the University of Bath has a few really key aspects that I think make it really special. It's quite a close-knit community. A lot of people know each other and there's really interesting research projects going on.
The diversity of the research that is being done within this department exposes you to a range of different applications for your degree, so you end up doing projects in so many different fields that you might not have considered.
The facilities at the University of Bath for engineering are really good. There's many undergraduate teaching facilities with state-of-the-art labs with various electrical engineering tools in them. There's also various research facilities which undergraduates can get involved with in their later years, or if they want to undergo some external research projects. Particularly there's a lot to do with automation research and more environmentally friendly cars, as well as robotics and automation.
I chose to study at the University of Bath because their values closely aligned with mine. I really loved the fact that they had a performing arts building, a sports department. I also really loved the city of Bath, and I really wanted to study on a campus university with a close community.
The highlight of studying electrical engineering at the University of Bath for me was getting involved in one of the competition teams. I joined the drones team, where we fly an autonomous drone as a part of a competition where the drone has to fly around a course and perform various tasks involving vision recognition and delivering payloads on the way. This was a really good bonding experience with various other undergraduates, and it involved working with industrial sponsors as well, which was a really key insight into our work outside of the university.
One of the largest projects that I do remember and that I had quite a lot of fun was with the MASS project, where we had to create an autonomous vehicle that could go around the track without actually knowing or seeing what that track is. So it's basically our small world variation of driverless cars, which I found very fun and interesting.
I think electrical engineering has a really exciting future ahead of it. We see that there's various developments in global technology which are key to electrical engineering, which are all going to have massive impacts on society as they further develop in the next few years. And these are things that the University of Bath is very keen to get interested in early on.
Technology is a huge driver of change. I think systems that were developed in the past didn't have a huge focus on sustainability, longevity, basically protection of the planet. So if you can develop new technology, that's hugely powerful to be able to drive change. You can create any solution to any problem if you know how. And I think that's the impact that electrical engineering has.